Why is there a guy called Superman?
Why is there a guy called Lucas
It's
Howard?
Francie.
I
Oh,
just
Lucas,
I
I
just
don't.
looked in. Oh,
Lucas, I don't think
I
I'm doing
just
RL because I don't feel like.
I just
Bro,
looked
I
in.
switched teams because I want to have an active teammate. What the
Nah,
fuck are you
just-
saying?
Oh.
Just kidding. Or
I
was
just
I?
looked in moments, and what the fuck is that? I didn't realize that was a moment. Scooter he signs their team name with George. Was
And Lucas in the background as well.
that on the yeah? It was on the phone. Was that on the train or something?
No,
Or was
it's
that a
on the
bus?
Skylink.
Oh, I was on the sky. Ah, okay. Fair enough, I guess.
Can we get Squid to join? Maybe I can, try. Hold on, don't start. Police Ride Simulator. What's
Line up
this?
nicely, Lucas.
Yeah, not a chance, Josh. Look at it.
I don't know what the. This doesn't happen in IRL. What's going
Yeah,
Yeah.
it does.
Well, you
Yeah,
don't
it
do
does.
threats.
I think
Oh,
Durham needs to be
how's
disqualified.
United doing? How's United doing?
You just say
Just
if you go
one
across the line, you get 5-second grid penalty or 5 minutes.
5-second grid
5 seconds.
penalty.
Right, oh shit, my Ethernet's gonna die.
I say that every single time. It's hilarious. 5-second grid penalty.
Oh shit, the police just emailed me about my bike being stolen. Fuck,
What? Your
My
bike
bike got stolen.
Yeah.
Lego things.
I
It was
reported like
me.
4 days ago and they just emailed me.
It was me.
What?
Lucas, what the fuck?
That wasn't me. That's a different Lucas.
Wait,
Who the
what?
fuck
That's
was
Lucas.
Azevni?
I was Terminator.
Yeah.
Who
you
was
see?
Azevni? How were they my friend?
Go.
Check
go.
his.
Oh, for fuck's sake, go. Oh my god! Who is that Super Aguri?
That's a Penske. What is it?
It's a Super
This
Aguri.
corner, when you touch the inside grass, is cancerous. I don't
No,
understand.
what do you mean? It's amazing when you touch me inside.
No, that one. You get the snap
Whoa.
of the left turn.
Oh.
What
It's
the fuck's
amazing
happening
when
on
you
the
touch the
right there?
inside.
What?
Oh, I
There's
think
just saw a
someone.
car on the infield there.
I think someone was trying to. Oh, it's Term.
Why the entrance back? Josh, why did you remove my perms? Racism.
Huh?
I don't have
Oh!
the GUI access. That's sad.
The GUI.
Oh yeah.
Why
The
was that?
GUI.
And the back.
The
You
GUI.
need a backup person just in case anything happens.
Not you though.
Oh shit.
Ah.
I don't
In
you
case
let
of
it
assassination, we need
down.
another.
JFK assassination.
Only one light works. Okay.
Lovely.
What? What? Lego's washed.
That's what she said.
What do you mean only one? Oh. Okay.
I don't know.
Did you only add your name to one of them? Is that why?
Yeah. So I'll just copy and paste.
Oh, that's why then.
Oh Jesus Christ. Oh.
I'm gonna fuck up that section and then I make it work. So
I hate Ohio.
No,
Things
this truck
happen
is
in
fun.
Ohio. What happens
The
in
track is
Ohio
actually really
stays in Ohio.
That's Las Vegas.
Oh, I didn't notice it.
Memories. Yeah.
Right, stop,
Oh, Rob.
stop calling, stop calling.
Stop the cans.
Stop the camera.
Lego, you're not doing good here.
Fucking
What did I
spam.
sign you for?
Lol.
Okay, this was a good sector one. I think at least.
Whoa!
JD here.
Oh yeah, it was an odd light. It had Reichs and Lucas.
No!
as,
Ah.
Rex and Lucas. Yes. See, that's why, Josh. You duplicate them, they're all going to be in the same one.
Yeah. I think because
Why are you playing Assetto Corso, Zenvo? What?
Yeah, I just got that as well.
Is he even here?
Okay. Or was
No,
it
he's
just
not
me
here.
that got that? Oh, like I'll
Memory.
do a purple sector 3 for no reason.
Stick!
Oh no!
Big!
Oh no!
Big!
Himself.
Zitan's
Yeah.
favorite fan is here.
It's Stig, how's preparation for the race been? No, okay.
I think,
Oh,
is it,
ah,
I
yeah.
think Cinevi's.
Is that Dodgem kitty? Oh, motherfucker.
Yes, he is.
I'd love to talk with this fucking retard, honestly.
Yeah, same.
Wait,
But
what
for some reason, he
happened
decided
between
to
you?
I don't know.
try. He was being a
he was,
faggot.
yeah, it was like just cursing at everyone, swearing at everyone for no reason. And he said
Fuck
he
you,
changed,
Stig.
like, and then
Yes.
what even
He
is your
behaved
problem?
like Rob for some
Ooh.
reason.
Yeah. And then randomly he said my mother died of cancer. Like, I don't
Yeah,
I thought you
actually.
said Chelsea for a second.
Loudy.
Your mum died of
Exactly.
Chelsea Football Club.
Oh, is he the Loudy?
Fuck you,
Memories.
Lego.
Sorry, that was a bit too dark.
Wasn't even a good lap, to be honest.
Wait, Rob, I thought you like
I know it's.
retired or what happened?
Oh, for God's sake! I didn't. I never said I was going to retire. I was just going to. Oh my God! I've explained this 5
I quit
times.
row racing 1 week later.
I never
Yes,
said the
I,
word
I
quit.
thought no. Oh, I thought you did.
I forgot that
I never said the word quit. I said I'd stop doing a fair bit of it. I said I might come back for a few like one-off races and do what this is. It's
This
a
was
one-off
a
race.
one-off race. This is a one-off season.
No, it's a one-off race.
Memory.
I'm not doing next week because I'm at Donington.
Oh,
Donington.
fucking Nick. Ah,
Oh, Lego, you cunt! What are you doing? If you can't drive or shit, get out the league. Blocking us all.
What?
You suck.
Oh my god.
no.
Memories.
Honestly, I knew he was going wide, but he fucking
Oh,
messed
fuck
my
me.
fucking line up.
Term.
Congratulations, bro.
Sorry,
And
I'm
that was a
having.
good lap as well until you.
It's Lizzie.
It's
I-
Oh my
purple.
fucking God.
Trust me.
Oh, purple, don't start again.
Yes.
I forgot that
Flat
I.
round here,
Purple. Oh, this is purple. This is purple.
flat round here.
Okay.
I actually forgot that I was today. Jesus.
What's the meeting about?
Memories.
Can't wait for the
Lucas.
users meeting about what
What
era.
is the meeting about, Lucas?
Era.
Essentially, sex offenders
I'd
that
ask
penetrated
Lucas,
the.
not you.
You
Discord.
pensions, yeah.
Who is this in the
No.
green car?
Oh no, couple. I'm scared. No. Oh,
Why is Dodgem here
I
again?
hate that squad.
I thought I was watching football.
Oh,
Turn.
I forgot to turn.
Down in middle. Yo, swag like. Oh.
Ohio.
Is he
We'll
done
trade
with
members in Ohio.
No, Rob, crash.
Josh,
No.
did you make the track?
Don't crash.
Ah, nice.
Yes, crash.
This track is more
I haven't
optimized than
crashed.
Audi's tracks.
There we go.
Hey.
I agree with that.
It's a 1-2
I
again.
mean, I just have to say Magnico.
Yeah, that track is not nice.
Oh, I can't wait to that.
I wasn't bothered
You
like
just have to survive.
really.
That's all you have to do for that one.
Survival
Survive,
challenge.
Magni
IRL.
Cole.
You know what the worst
Survive.
Josh,
Oh,
imagine
my sector 1.
Josh, imagine we still would use the curbs that FS used. And then in collide. And the final chicane had actually the real life curve.
Oh yeah.
Does this track have Lucas take grass or is this fine?
No, it's Lucas.
This is fine.
Memories.
This is Lucas.
Poor,
Like, what are you
poor.
about?
There's Lucas take gravel.
It is, actually.
Na, 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 na,
My
na.
bold head. Oh,
Oh.
scheisse.
Can I stop doing good
Oh.
sector 3 but can't do shit for the others?
Purple splits the Ferraris. Am I going to get pole on debut?
That'd be funny.
Am I gonna vape on debut?
And win and like destroy everyone.
Nah,
Pussy
I don't think I will.
destroyer.
Lucas, that last sector.
Yeah, I keep doing it, but I can't do the rest. This track's just useless.
Oh no!
I blame the track now. Well, I would have done a good lap if this dickhead Lego wasn't in the fucking way. I'm catching up.
Oh,
Skill
well,
issue.
I fucked it.
Oh yeah, I
Poor
just saw
Lego.
you, Rob.
No, Lego's fucked it.
Yeah.
Will I make it to the line?
Well,
No,
yay,
I don't
pole.
think so.
Memory.
Unless Stig H can do anything about it.
Why
Mario
would
is
I
a-
do anything about it?
Because you're quick.
Lucas,
Lol.
you're done.
No! How did they
I
get
messed up
2
my lap.
laps?
Okay, yeah.
Nah, I'm doing another one. They need to
no,
be
no, no.
stopped.
Do you want me to,
Back of the
No,
grid. Back of the grid.
That was
you're
bad luck.
racist.
want me to
Oh.
rocket you?
What would that do?
Lag him. Or is it GPU
Yeah,
kill?
lag because.
So Lego has one more up there.
No, he didn't. I was watching the timer,
No,
and he
I
went.
watched him.
Oh,
I watched him.
if he had it in the center, I would have the screenshot by now. But it's still on the fucking left.
No, I watched it. It's on recording. He crossed
Ah,
the line.
nah. Yeah. Your vision lag is 6 miles too late, too early.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Memory.
Why is the... Actually, is that bad or good? Why is the pole on the inside?
My
I don't really
God.
care.
Poland? Why is
Does it really
Poland
matter?
on base?
Because T1
No, it
would
doesn't
take
really matter.
time.
If it was like Luxembourg, then I would be like, okay.
Yeah, that's
Oh yeah, Luxembourg.
Rob is gonna do a fucking
I mean,
Japan
it's best if
1990
it's
or
on the
whatever.
inside, I think.
It's fine. I can live with it.
I think it's better if it's on the
I don't
inside.
think you can, Rob. I think you
Actually,
should.
can I move to the outside, please?
Oh, fuck off.
Fucking nerd
you can
emoji.
if you want to.
Yeah,
No, no, I'm not.
French
I'm not a
emoji.
nerd emoji.
French emoji.
Joshua, be quiet.
Oh, you
Allahu
good?
Akbar.
Oh god. Memory.
Shut up.
Bro.
It's a
Line number.
Ferrari 1-3.
My keyboard disconnected.
Bro.
Hello?
Bro.
Wait, what
Bro.
were you doing?
Why have a long
Thank you.
face?
Hmm?
My keyboard
I
disconnected.
don't know.
Is it?
Ah, well,
Rob,
I
why
don't know
did you
either.
decide to show
What
up?
did you say? Line up.
Don't
I
know.
can't see because I have now TV in the middle.
Cheers, Jeff.
My nan's in a
Okay.
box.
What's
Why
the
is my-
hotkey?
Why is my nan in a box?
Why does he hate you so
What's the
much?
hotkey? Yes, yes.
Dude,
My car!
Yeah, he's running away.
Right, yeah.
You better hurry up because I think there's one area where you can go for the map.
Why am I getting such low FPS?
I want you to see.
That's your mother, my bad, Dodgem.
Where are you? It's Josh.
Go. Does seat lag exist?
Your car is gonna.
I don't think seat lag exists.
Whoa! What's Dodgem doing?
wait,
My
what
man
does my
breathes.
nan's in a box mean? What does that mean?
He means his
Maybe
grandpa is
I've-
dead.
Who's
It
in
means
the
your
box?
nan signs up for boxing matches.
Yeah.
And essentially,
Louts
she
are in
boxes
box.
like
Rob, you even
kids.
boxed with her, you know?
Why is Lego joined?
And I know. She tried to request a fight with me, but I had to say no because she's that much of a sigma. Like, I can't.
Can
I
we
can't
start the race
completely-
here? It's totally
Holy
fine.
shit.
Everyone's in their cars. Let's go.
No,
Josh,
no, it's not.
Josh, please tell Dodgem to unmute himself. Please.
Yeah, I'd like to.
Start.
Josh,
They
I
start.
support you.
They start. They start. I'm joking.
Oh, yes, Mika.
Oh my
How
God.
hard is it to reset, man? It's not that hard. Jesus.
Ah, it's too late now. I already reset.
Okay.
Hold up.
Mic on what?
I think I'm lined up correctly.
Why is Lego?
Hello.
Hey, Lego. You know you can sprint, right?
He's
Yeah, that's what I'm
sprinting.
doing.
The sprint is very slow in teaching it.
Why
Ah,
did you add it
Are
to
we
slow?
ready, everybody? I am.
No, tell Dodgem to like, because he's basically not in the VC if he's like deafening himself.
fuck.
Oh, is he not in the VC?
He is, but
Is
he's
he deafening
deafened.
himself? Okay, then that's.
Like he's just scared. Has this big of a
Let's
mouth.
fucking
I didn't even do anything. He
come
just
on, Josh.
goes
let's
off
go,
at me.
please.
Gosh.
Huh?
Now he has
It's
to.
time.
Josh, what the
Stain.
fuck is that green livery beside me?
Wait, Dodgem,
Memories.
unmute yourself.
That's Jeremiah's livery.
Oh my.
Oi,
Oh my
Dodgem.
That guy's
Big lad.
speaking.
Big lad.
Belgium, pal.
Wait,
Oh,
Dodgem.
World Trade
What
Center's
papers?
in.
Oh.
Dodgem, big
What
lad,
shows?
unmute yourself, mate. If you say you weren't a kid, show it then.
Guys, the World Trade Center's just the World Trade Center's here.
Oh, Jim, do you remember your FC stint? Oh, I hated you so much that I wanted to murder you.
I bet he's like 11 years old, dude.
But he probably is.
I think he is, not gonna lie.
He hasn't said anything.
Even if I was 11 years old, I wouldn't be acting like that, to be honest.
Yeah.
What would be 11
Because I know
years
what respect is.
If I would be 11 years old,
This
if
guy
I
know
would,
what respect
I don't think
is.
he does because
Who
he
knows
doesn't have a
what
motherfucker.
respect is?
You don't know
I would-
what respect is. I don't know what
if
you
I
mean
would
by
be
that.
11 years old, if I would be 11 years old,
What did he say? Oh. I still have Now TV in the middle of the screen, so I can't
I
see
like
anything.
this game. I like this.
if I,
Is Chambers AFK?
I am undeafened. You're not.
if,
Do dot alert
You are.
Chambers wake up. Do dot alert
Um,
Chambers.
if I would be 11 years old, I would go to the gym, smoke weed, and take drugs.
Just do alert all
drink.
race time.
Oh,
Why Chambers isn't the voice chat?
Yeah, the
Chambers.
alert
I
all
don't-
E. Yeah, come on. Look.
Does he drive? I don't know. I've not seen.
Yes, he does. He does. Come on, Chambers.
Wakey, what? What's the best shop in Wakey?
Oh my
Chambers,
god. No,
hey!
you gotta do. Oh my, what is this guy doing? Dot.
Well, it's
You
here
gotta
now
do-
anyway.
Yeah.
Is he?
Okay.
No, it's the
Depends on
normal
the-
commands.
I forgot this league exists.
Did I?
Yeah.
Semicolon alert.
One sec,
That's
give me
not
1 minute,
semicolon.
boys.
Oh, he's,
1 sec.
let me add
Where is my car?
Oh, yeah, add the anti-script, not the anti-script, the anti-collide script.
yeah.
By term.
Let's
map.
enter the anti-script. Antichrist.
Antichrist.
Corporal, can you move back to your place, please? You're
Why does
actually
two
in
Lucas
Oh,
town.
my
Houses?
bad, my bad.
Oh, blame term for that.
I can't change it.
One
Hey,
sec.
you can't do it
Oh, I
on
forgot what
Let's
these
go
cars
already.
Waiting for Chums.
No, waiting for that car to
Back
get
to
out.
the back of the grid, Chums.
Memory.
Yeah.
Hold
I think
on.
it's only
How's
my like
Arsenal
second
doing?
time racing in this league.
Oh, it's 1-1.
Gang gang.
Gang,
Oh,
gang. Gang, gang.
this is
Go-
What's that?
Charlie's.
give me 1 minute.
Term, line up properly.
I did.
I don't,
I'm in
think,
my
I don't
group.
think you're in the grid
I
slot
know you're
chambers
trying
or
Right.
to
whatever.
look this, but just line up properly.
Give me 1 minute. Let me just set up.
Oh,
Sorry,
dot,
I've
is
literally just come
myself
back.
behind myself? What? How is this possible?
Can we go,
Right.
please?
One,
Get in the car.
one sec. Alright. There you go. I'm back. What's that? Give me.
Right.
Just two.
It's go time. By the way,
Sorry,
by the
okay.
way, the first,
Give me 1 minute.
only the first set of lights work, so you're gonna have to be like,
Alright, there you go.
So
You're being
we-
serious.
shit.
Ladies, start your engines.
Ladies,
Okay, is everyone
It's gonna be my second
Yeah.
time driving
Josh,
these
the
cars.
lights aren't on.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, turn them on.
No shit, Luca.
I'm just saying
Oh, one only works
they're not
again.
on. Did you not publish?
Josh, I can't see the
Amico
light.
Green America.
Flat
Oh,
around
it's
here.
Flit around
Is
here.
that flat?
Yes.
Flat. Yes.
Is it?
Flat on the
Oh.
straight.
You're telling me you just got Paul without
So
lifting
is
up.
that?
Excuse me,
I'm surprised
Rob.
Dan is running the McLaren in
Yeah, no, mine was
IRL.
that built different.
Can you destroy our self-confidence even more, please?
Where's the slipstream?
Yeah.
I remember last time we went on this track, there was slipstream.
Yes,
Oh my god, where's the
Yeah,
stream?
there was. I forgot. Oh god, Josh.
Oh, you can hear it.
Yeah, I love it.
I want slipstream, I'm too slow.
My camera's too low to the center of gravity. I'm like.
And Zetan
struggling
had
to
fucked
see.
off and won the race.
No, not
Nah,
yet.
he's gonna crash. I know it.
Shut
Yeah,
up.
Thanks,
Thanks.
same.
No,
He's gonna
these
crash.
cars aren't like this,
Why?
like MX-5s that don't flip randomly.
It's gonna crush in like one.
I
remember that.
Remember
That was
last
my
time we
lead.
were here, like the photo finish
Yeah.
that we had?
There we
That
go.
was
I
really fun.
fixed my height. No, I mean.
Oh, I
my
like this
camera.
GUI. That's pretty
I like
nice.
it, yeah, it's nice.
I
Yeah.
don't.
You haven't changed the colors yet on the right hand side.
Oh, yeah.
Never mind.
Why is it on the left hand side?
Also, I'm retired already when we're already one lap in. Or two.
Normally on the left hand side.
What?
Fucking front.
Who's- you don't even know who Superman is.
No.
Superman.
Fancy.
Now I
It's
No,
Tommy,
actually,
isn't
weird.
it?
Wait, is this
No,
an all-time
Francis.
high attendance rate?
Oh, I have no idea.
No, I think the highest was like 14 now.
What day?
That's still bad. Fucking hell.
Yeah.
Nah, this is better,
I'm
man.
joking. It's
IRL.
good.
compared to
Good Mickey
IRL,
Mouse
the
League.
Premier
Yeah.
Good Mickey Mouse
League.
League attendance. It's alright.
The thing is, with
It's like-
IRL, you get
Oh, there's a
most of
guy in
the
the
same people.
retirement. Rest in peace.
He gives.
But there's a guy in retirement.
Oh, what the hell?
Two people
No,
have gone.
I nearly did the same
Oh,
thing.
someone's
Fucking.
Dude,
Honestly,
there's already
take
two
Lego fam. You
retirements.
did the same thing to me.
There's
Oh, is he
already
just
2
rage quit?
retirements. Are you kidding me? No.
It's Lego.
Has he actually
No,
rage
I
quit?
was
He's-
7 seconds!
I was gonna say you haven't crossed the
Lego, where's
line.
the slipstream?
Oh,
We need
Corporal
the
goes for the
slipstream.
move. They're
Lego,
side
we
by
need the
side.
slipstream.
Titan is still ahead.
Honestly, I do that at the
With his
middle
long
highway
nose.
corner.
Thanks.
Bloody hell.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Look at the Kiwi Motorsports returning for the first time in a decade.
that?
It used to be Squid's team, and for some reason I took it. I don't know
Like the
why.
first time I've literally raced
Oh
in
my
this
days.
league.
Oh my god, Stick,
Oh,
you made me
car.
do that as well.
Oh, thanks.
What? There's a car there.
Did you overtake me?
No,
Okay, that's good.
again, but you made me go deep. There's a car.
Stick it.
There's cars everywhere, Josh. What's happening?
People
I'm
just
so
die, I
confused.
don't know.
That's the third car I've seen on this fucking lap.
Yeah.
I did the same thing as
Big.
Lego.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
I did
No,
the
I
same
went
thing.
wide.
Just keep it out of the barriers and you're fine. Like,
Yeah. That's not
Literally.
helpful. It's not touching the grass.
My
in
my tires
certain
are flat
corners.
spotted already.
Yes.
Like-
Is there a tire?
Right.
No.
Fuck off.
I always say this. Also when I go out of the pits.
Is there fuel in this league?
Oh, the...
I did
Do
the
we
same
have-
sector 1.
Do we have
Do we-
veterans?
I really want
Do
to
we-
play the
do we have
IRL
DRS?
Season 7. DRS
Do we,
and ERS. Or
Do we
what's
have
it
weather
called?
in
That's
5
wide.
minutes, Josh? Confirm.
Huh?
It's very rain.
Yeah, can you have
Do
weather? Like,
we have weather in
RRC,
5 minutes?
RRC, bro. Oh,
Okay,
shit.
Josh, can you actually remove
Well,
that car? I don't like
Corporal's
it.
got a
Though.
lead.
It's
Which-
visually
That
impairing
was a
me.
crap sector.
This track is so cancer.
No,
I
it's
thought-
amazing.
I thought
After
Havana
the
was bad, but
chicane,
this is
you
honestly.
know, you
This
go
track is
wide
amazing.
on that left
Oh,
double
it's
left
nice,
hand
but
bar.
just
It's
the
Yeah,
there.
but
I don't like it.
I have a too big of skill issue.
It's
Okay.
nice, but I didn't
Jeremiah's,
even know I
by
was
the way.
coming
Jeremiah
today.
disconnected, by the way. Josh.
I lost a
Yeah.
second because of
Let's
that
go team
fucking car.
Oh.
Tired.
That lap was crap.
Mine was
Play
as well.
again.
What the hell?
I'm just lagging a bit.
Do you need some help, Josh?
It's just put Jer. J-E-R.
It's not
Germ.
Jer, I
Germ.
swear. Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Okay, Josh, watch me. I'll show you what car to move
Wait.
because I don't like it. It's
Jeremiah,
weird.
what was
Oh.
your car, if you can remember?
Term,
Oh,
are you in a
this-
Super Aguri?
Yeah.
What day?
Whoa! Why did I go so deep into that?
Oh, he's
Right,
gone.
Josh.
what-
This
what?
this car here.
Oh,
This
bye,
car
Corporal.
here. That car there.
Yeah, what
Jeremiah,
happens?
just stop.
Did a 360.
Oh.
Jeremiah, you want to
Josh.
Flat round here. Flat round here.
I line up
Yeah.
a pins.
I don't think he knows what rejoins are. Just let him drive.
Okay, he's just driving.
Josh.
Yeah.
Imagine Lucas disconnects and you have to TP him.
Oh god. Yeah, rejoin me in P1.
We're joining on the lead.
Lead lap.
No, it's not that.
Correct lap.
They have the same name.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. No, you can still use your
Yeah, I
this
see.
name. It's-
Yeah, I'll just use the actual.
Well, you could use the full name of Lucas because I
No.
have a different one.
Yesterday, I really thought it was Lucas in the MotoGP server.
Do you think I'm that good at
Or
MotoGP?
2 days ago. It's like, why is Lucas here?
I got confused because I was like, I'm not playing that game. How am I in that game? I was
Yeah,
like,
fuck you,
oh
Arisa.
wait.
You joined the team.
Yeah, honestly, it's too confusing at points. Josh, that car there, did you see?
Stick, how are you so quick?
Oh, but sector
Did
2.
you get-
Have you read my name properly? And have you seen Top Gear by any chance?
Yeah,
Yeah.
massive in India.
Yeah, I swear the stick was like drove by like many different drivers.
Are you dry? Did you just?
Yeah,
say?
but this
Oh.
time I'm on the Michael Schumacher version.
You're in the
But like the Mercedes days, so I'm washed.
Michael Schumacher edition now available.
I'm a vegetable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The vegetable version. The vegan version of Michael
Why
Schumacher.
do people
Vegan.
keep dying in the middle of the track? Who is that it's
Wow.
Terminator?
My Wi-Fi just had a bit of a
yeah,
crash.
Terminator.
Yeah, we noticed.
Maybe like legit Luxembourg moment.
Where's legit?
Gets DRS on them
No one knows
in
that
corners
reference,
and
Lucas. Like,
zooms
no one's
past
gonna know.
Sleepy. Was it Sleepy?
Legit lagging in Luxembourg.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
the
I
best
almost
IRL
took off.
moment, as well as great sneezing or what is it? Something like that.
There was in the background that sneezing.
Yeah, and we didn't know who it was, and it was great when we did the analysis. After that.
Fuck.
And do you remember when Time Lord joined? He said these
Oh,
cars
fuck
were
off.
unrealistic to the era.
Why is the Clean Honda so slow?
What? It's not a McLaren Honda.
Kaelin Honda, I said. Zenva's team.
I'm in a Super GUI Honda.
I swear they have anime on the side of the car. It's nasty.
That's
no,
changed.
not this year, not there. Wait, is no, it's not me
Good.
this
I
time.
think you
don't
have
have
it.
it.
No?
I don't
Wait, do I
understand
have
why
it?
do people
Yeah,
have
I think-
like?
You have it. I see.
Can someone tell me why
Nice.
people have anime as their profile picture? It's weird.
I know, right?
Well, bye
I
Corporal,
don't have
bye
it.
Corporal, bye Corporal,
Did you die
bye
again?
Corporal. Hi Lucas.
Bye, Rob.
Hi,
Everyone
Lucas. Hi
died.
Lucas.
Buongiorno! I'll see you in a mid.
Oh,
I know.
Rob, stop dying, please.
I know.
Why don't
I
you
just don't know
die
why.
and join us?
I keep gaining to you, and I just keep.
It's the Ferrari name.
Luke's
Yeah.
It is, to
Super.
be fair.
Oh, what?
Actually,
Jeremiah's leading screenshot. Oh my god. This is unbelievable. He's actually leading. What the
This
fuck?
was my
Yeah, 4.5. Or
Wait,
Oh.
let's see.
How is he
that's
leading?
not too bad.
How is he leading? He's good.
I'm joking, of course. What the
I should.
this man is a goat. He's leading the race.
Stop the
By the
race,
way,
stop the
He's
race.
Rob or
awesome.
Lucas, if one of you dies and like there's
Shut up,
three,
James.
that's like a
Are you on
four-car
about me
train.
or the actual other Lucas?
No, you and Rob. Because like a 4-car train right now behind
I
you.
can't be asked to look backwards because I really can't be asked.
Why not?
See, I told you
Do it
Rob
Because-
casino
to make
balls.
court racing.
Jesus.
Yeah, I know. Which is nice on Lego.
Why is there a car on the left in the top? I can still see it, Josh. I don't like it.
Cry about it.
Like this one on the right here is fine because
It's off the track. It's not on it anymore.
It's off the track, and that's the one that annoys you.
But I was looking at the apex
Oh,
and I can see it still on the left hand side. This is
Lego,
good
you
for the
can-
championship. I just need to finish ahead of Lego. That's good.
Yeah, you're gonna
I
make
don't-
that because I'm dying here.
Why don't you just disconnect and leave? Makes it easier for me to not like do incidents.
Yeah, it will be better because I'll be rejoin ahead of you probably.
Wait, what?
Yeah, that's how it works. Yeah.
That's the meta, isn't it?
Unless you called your reality, Alex, disconnect your Wi-Fi on purpose to then be rejoined.
Yeah, I swear he did that. No, wait, you're streaming
He
this.
does
No,
that.
he didn't do anything.
Oh shit!
Pretty sure you've done that in
I
Rob's
did that
league.
once as well.
Probably.
Rob's league.
Yeah,
Bloody
look.
hell,
Because
really?
he was like 4 seconds behind me, then he rejoined himself to be like 1 second.
Bro.
Jesus.
Well,
Is that a Ferrari?
no,
I see a Ferrari.
last season I was behind.
And he was
him.
the only one that got rejoined, Rob. I think
Honestly,
it was MX5
don't question my
race,
league.
even.
Don't
The
question my
flipping
abilities.
incident.
I know they're dodgy.
Everyone flipped, and he was the only one getting
Oh,
rejoined.
yeah, it was this track, yeah.
It
What,
was
this
this
track? We didn't.
No,
what?
no.
When Rob
Yes,
did
the
I blamed the track,
MX5.
not gonna lie.
Oh yeah. Oh, we didn't.
Oh,
Wait, what league was
fuck.
MX5s?
That was
My league. Oh,
WRL.
hi, Corporal. Hello.
Oh, Corporal.
Makes my job easier.
Sorry, Stig,
Actually,
if
I
I'm
want Rob
distracting
to
you.
win now because Lego
What?
isn't here.
Sorry if I'm gonna distract you, Stig.
I'm just gonna drive into.
Just
that
take out
water now.
Irvin, and we're fine.
Irvin is not here. Irvin is leading, as
Shut up,
usual.
Dodgem.
Who's
No,
Irvin?
Irvin is in second.
dead race.
Thanks.
True.
Says him in 9th place.
I like Dodger just saying.
What's just
literally.
random cars everywhere? Okay,
Hey,
never
trust me,
mind.
Dead
during
race.
IRL race, you see speed.
This guy
and
says dead
weird
race.
shit.
Bro, you're slow as fuck.
My Wi-Fi is having some.
Yeah, it's a good battle right now between Stig.
So nice.
Oh,
Terminator, and-
fucking Christ. Right, well. That curb
I'll
spun
try-
me sideways, but I'm closer at least.
Why does this track have to resemble fucking
Corporal.
Sport Speedway in the last
Corporal.
2 turns? It's
What?
annoying.
He says dead race, no dead mother.
We're
No,
about to
yeah,
lap
but
him
it's
as
not-
well.
Wait,
Guys,
what?
pit window is open.
What?
Dodgems
there-
on the road, Corporal.
Who the heck
Is
was
there-
that?
Is there a pit limit thingy?
No.
Yeah, there's pit limits, but there's
Yes.
no. You don't have to slow
You
down
can,
to
you can
enter,
go
right?
full speed, but
No, you
might
don't.
want-
Yes, you
not
do, Rob. Yes, you do.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, Rob hasn't driven this league, so he has to slow down 80 FPS before the line.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's like RIC. I mean, we are
It's
using
like
RIC
IRC.
cars. Oh my!
I
I
remember.
died again. Oh, for goodness sake! Now Idement is in front of me.
I
This is
didn't.
just
Or
sad.
I Dominator. I can't.
Yeah.
I do.
He's
yeah,
always there.
yeah.
I don't think that's him there.
I dominate you.
Problem is, he's like he's fast enough then to beat Jeremiah, but he's not quick enough to go in like the main group. So he's just in no man's land half the
Remember
time.
that race when he was actually good at? Oh wait, never mind.
Nice entry, Lego.
It was good, wasn't it?
Ooh.
Yeah. Stylish. What the fuck? Dude, what? How?
Wait, what happened?
What happened?
That's just cheating, bro.
But why that pit stop like 2 seconds? Oh, wow.
Yeah, that was really quick.
That's like F1
Oh, wow.
style.
I use the same one as you.
No.
No.
No, I do not celebrate Lunar New Year, sadly.
But he
happened? Let
gained
me
time
know.
in the pits
I
really
get
weirdly.
because you hit the wall and slow down 20 immediately, but I kept going.
I thought they were cheating there. Once again.
He had a segue. Did you see that?
Hey,
sex
dodge
way.
him. We're coming for you.
Sex
Yeah, I'm
bomb,
just
sex
like-
bomb, yours.
Why is that, man?
No, always bitter.
I've just
Well, he wanted it.
a nice dinner. What are you having for dinner, Stradai?
He's
Karma.
letting you drift. Your mum. Right, okay. Everyone clearly boxed behind us. So which box is that? Who remembers? The thing is, when we had Slipstream, we had good tech
Nice.
strategies, especially that oval race, Lucas Tech oval race. That was
Oh god,
fucking-
yeah.
Everyone like had their own like little groups to
I don't
coordinate.
know how did Lego gain so much time?
Yeah,
Yeah, I
I
think
know,
it's-
right? I don't know what the fuck he did.
I was inside.
Yeah,
of
he's
it,
found a legal light system. You need to ban him.
Oh,
He got green before I passed him in the pits. I don't know.
No.
Yeah, see,
I think
Josh,
we
did
should
you
have
get that one?
Slipstream back.
oh Christ on a bike. Okay.
Yeah, I agree with that.
I agree with
Then
Slipstream.
lift off on 5 seconds, if you agree.
Well, only certain people did.
I don't,
think
no one
I-
complained about the slipstream. That was Aldi in IRL, despite we didn't have it.
Pretty sure in RIC everyone hated it, from what I remember.
I liked it
It
because it
was
made me
meh.
fast.
Yeah, but RIC was owned by Fitchman and no one liked Fitchman, so.
Okay.
That's probably
Yeah,
why.
I think people were more on about Thidgeman instead of the slipstream. So
The only
don't
good
like
thing
Fitchman.
that
I
was,
think that's how the system worked. We talked about Thidgeman instead of lag or what.
I-
lag.
Oh.
I don't
Okay,
like
Corporal.
Slipstream.
Not really.
Makes the rules so inconsistent.
The problem is with the Slipstream.
WRL Hidden Valley.
The Slipstream back then was like way too overpowered because it's like you could be like 10 seconds away and still get Slipstream.
Yeah.
So it's just like
That was
God.
RIC for you.
the only good thing that
No,
was
that was
added
WRL Hidden Valley for you.
Shut up, Steve.
the only good thing that was
I
added
won
was
that
the
race, and you
Havana.
know that.
Is there any shortcuts in this?
No, I
Josh.
won that. It was the time I won the trick.
No, it was me. I have a
No,
slip.
it was me.
I have a screenshot, and I was
on
first.
my screen.
I have a screenshot of
On
the
my
of the
screen.
leaderboard, and I was first.
Yeah.
You know what we should do with some of these tracks? You know, like Mario Kart, and they have like shortcuts.
Did you like that, Josh?
Yeah, that was
Like-
cool.
What are you
I
doing?
know, right? I did a J turn.
Damn,
I
did he
spun
did
the
it?
pits and did a J turn at pit speed. It was really cool.
Guys, I'm gonna suggest this. You know, how like Mario Kart has
Please
like,
don't stress it.
shortcuts. You know how Mario Kart has like shortcuts that are like difficult to
Yeah.
do, but if
Yeah,
you do
Mickey
them,
Mouse
they're like
League.
yeah. Put that in one of the tracks, so you can risk your race if you take the shortcut.
But if you actually
Yeah,
make it,
Lucas.
Yeah, if you make it, you gain time.
Well,
If you
I had shortcuts
don't
on
make
Magny
it, then
Cool.
you probably like
Okay.
your car. Yeah,
Maybe on the head, you
Chambers,
can just go straight.
Chambers, there's one flaw to it. People are gonna cry and say, I want
Dude,
to
this
read
grass
mine."
is AIDS.
yeah, but that's the risk and reward, you know.
People be like, I want to rejoin my mum. I killed my mum.
Mario Kart. Oh my god, Mario Kart road racing. That'd be sick. I don't know how the things work.
Josh,
Jesus Christ, why are the lights so short? The fuck?
Josh, did
yeah, I
you,
was not expecting that to be so short.
Josh, do you remember when I had the biggest crash in world racing?
It's a Havana.
Yeah.
That was funny. You just launched yourself into the wall.
Lost so much time. How did I
It
do?
was so funny. We need more such stuff. I want to do that more.
Like Connor Loser, Rob and Lego. What season was it?
Bro,
Oh yeah.
Oh,
That
this
was-
is-
that was hilarious.
He both flipped. I'm like, what is going on?
Thankfully, we have critical with the video.
I flew so high. I nearly was as high as the grandstand on the main stage in on Havana.
Wait, though, what?
Drink too much.
On the main straight? How? What?
Yeah.
So
I hit that touch curves and got launched into the air, if you remember. I nearly
Uh,
flew as high as the grandstand.
Oh, Havana, I thought you were on about fucking
No.
Honolulu. I was like, well, how? On the main straight? How?
Honolulu is shit.
I agree.
I like that track.
Exactly.
But still,
I don't.
I lifted
I
up on the
love
main
it,
straight.
bro.
That
I
was
love it.
hilarious.
Last race of the
I always do good at that track.
Yeah.
I like it.
Who said McLaren in front of me or whatever
It's
that's
probably
supposed to be?
Dodgem.
No,
Oh,
I think I don't know.
Is he still racing? No, he's
I
not.
don't know.
It
Yeah.
looks like it's
Oh,
not
yeah.
against you. It's
That's
not
sad.
against you.
Good. Get him out of here.
Is he gone?
Hope so.
Woman.
Okay.
Josh, who said in front of me? He went very wide. He must be a noob. Probably Frankie.
Oh, like the McLaren
front?
looking car. That's Jeremiah.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, you can't be talking to people like that, Tim.
What
We'll
did
talk
I
back
say?
to you like you're being very rude.
How do you even do the penultimate corner? I don't understand.
Babe.
Don't touch
Like,
the grass, I guess, because it grabs
do you just stick on the inside or what?
Well, I stick on the inside without touching grass.
I
We
stick
just-
it
I mean,
out of it.
you can't even touch the curb and you like.
You can't even touch
There is no
kids.
curb in there. Oh, there is. No,
Hey,
there
Lucas,
isn't.
guess who's
on the
behind you?
penultimate.
You?
Yeah, that
maybe?
fucking ignorant nigger.
You're being recorded, mate.
No, I'm not. Josh, could you cut that out, please? Thank you.
No.
That's too much effort.
I give you more
I
RS.
agree.
Honestly, can Lego get a penalty for doing legal stuff in pit lane again?
Yeah,
Like,
what the hell?
like how?
See what
Like
you
he's
did, bro.
I pitted first and his line turned green first. What the hell?
Yeah, so you done something incorrect.
tested
Oh,
out
this was
every
on
pit.
such a good last
He
corner.
tested out every pit box to see what,
Oh,
what
yes.
pit box was the quickest.
So yeah, you've done something again. Fuck's sake. Why should I
Oh.
fucking believe
What the fuck?
Sorry.
He's done the whole
Moment.
race yesterday as well. On AMS.
But that's because the curves there are funny.
Why? I'd admit, why didn't he never go IRL?
So Josh,
I
the
haven't seen
layout,
him even. He always
Josh,
goes in
the
these
layout we
things, bro.
used. Josh, the layout we used for AMSU was so funny.
Really? What track was
Yeah,
it?
No,
it was
wasn't.
a short. It was a short Austria, the national layout.
Oh, yeah. It's like after
Scancer.
2-1 you go right.
Oh,
Yeah.
Scancer.
Oh no.
I
Like
got
drove into a
overtaken.
wall.
I got overtaken by Irvin on a yellow flag, and then he just fucked off. I tried to tell Stick to take him out, but he spun like a muffin.
God, that
That's
curve
fair.
spun me. Well, half spun me.
Dude, I lost count on how many times I spun.
He spun what twice at the start.
Spun. Dude, you spun on the formation lap. You don't even have
Yeah.
right to talk.
I'd rather spin on the formation lap than
Oh,
they
Fucking
they
Christ.
added so many weird stuff.
Holy shit, Corporal! I did a 360 after hitting the corner call.
You have it.
They
Fucking
add,
Christ.
Did you
Josh, they
save it
added
or did you lose a
formation
lot
lap.
of time?
I saved it. Yeah. I'm
Probably
sorry.
lose like a second maximum.
Oh,
5 tenths I lost. It's not too bad.
Josh, it's kind of ass.
Huh?
It's kind of ass that they turned everything
Oh
off.
my god.
You've
Yeah.
gained
Corporal,
everything
we're
back,
bottling
don't
it.
worry. Yeah,
No,
we
Corporal,
are.
trust me, I bottled it as well. We're both bottling it.
They turned stability control off, ABS off, and traction control.
Yeah, but
off.
who has stability control then? Let's be honest.
What are you on about?
Terminator.
I do. No, actually, I don't in the F1 Challenge League because it's banned as well. At least, you see, F1 Challenge and no
Okay.
TC is impossible. You press the photo slightly, you literally become
Oh, Lucas,
plane
you-
into the World Trade Center.
I don't know. I didn't want to correct the car, so I just
Well,
let
that's
it go wide.
What?
You're coming closer.
Fuck you.
I love you too.
Yeah, Lego's car's
Cheater.
illegal. Can we investigate it? Because like when Lego does livery,
He cheated in the pits.
illegal scripts.
Not the first time.
Well, how do you explain me being so fast, Van Lucas? Oh.
Because you have
Because
you're
you're
actually
naturally
good.
fast.
The thing is, those cars are illegal.
Oh, fuck.
Well then.
Rob, did you see that? I hit a bump like
I
and
did. Holy shit! 5/10
That's
gain on you.
yeah. Oh, again!
You haven't crossed the line, have you already? Jeez.
I swear, every time
Oh,
we're in the races,
ow.
every time
Hello.
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 every time we get more into
Massive
the
choke.
maps, the bumps get worse.
59.6. That's the fastest
No,
lap.
no, sometimes the car just feels the bumps, sometimes like a lot.
Yeah.
Hockenheim,
No,
last
that
race,
that was just a weird road.
no, but the bumps for me kept getting worse, and then I barrel rolled on a bump.
Oh, did you? Wow.
Jeez, I didn't.
Yeah, that's
remember
how I
that.
lost the position to Chambers, basically.
Oh,
You
I
never
landed-
overtook me in the first place.
Huh?
You never overtook me in the first place.
Hits?
So yeah, you did for like two laps, and then I was pretty much
Yeah, that hasn't happened.
SPS merchant, and so
Oh my god. Okay, that's
I
the
don't
best section
understand
for
why you
you.
don't use the
Practice
blaster
job.
rotate on
Christ.
that. It's
I've
fast.
not practiced for IRO because I wasn't
Yeah,
bothered
same.
whatsoever.
I really wonder how fast Sam's going to be now because he's in the McLaren, right? So I don't think I've raced him before. So
No,
He's
you
quick,
have,
trust
you
me.
have race Sam.
I probably have,
You
yeah,
must
but I
have.
don't exactly know what league. Maybe RRC. I think I don't know.
It's pretty good, yeah.
Probably Super Formula.
No,
Did he do
no,
Super?
no. I
didn't
don't
know
think
he
you
did
raced in Super Formula at all.
No, he did. He did.
He probably did.
I think
Yeah.
it,
You must
the
have done
earlier
at the
seasons.
beginning.
What team,
but I
though?
don't remember.
I
I
don't know.
Season 1, Season 2, some kind there. And what's the real life teams? I have no idea what the teams are called. There was an IKEA looking ass car and the team called Team Pumps.
What, there was an IKEA car. What?
Oh yeah, the IKEA car. I remember that. I forgot what team it was.
There also was Team Mugen.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because I think season 1 and season 2 are based on real life teams,
Yeah.
and season 3 was the
Mano Mercedes. Actually, Mano Racing. And I won a race. I beat Tom, and then Tom Rage quit the league.
You must
Yeah,
have
just-
driven against Sam in IRL, definitely.
No, I didn't race in IRL until season. I raced in a couple races in like season 4 and season 5, season 6, but like
Mm.
it was pretty much season 6 that I pretty much joined IRL. I think before then I didn't make any race. I couldn't make any races.
Excuse me. Is the
Oh,
race
piss
start?
off. Go away,
Oh,
you're late.
Hey. Let him
Yo,
talk.
God,
Who's that?
fucking-
wait, who's speaking?
Speedy.
The races start
Ah.
at 5 p.m.
Didn't you also ask this last race?
He did.
Ah,
Oh,
fuck.
right, Speedy,
I
shut
just-
up. Speedy, shut up.
No,
No,
Rob.
keep
Let him talk.
talking.
No, you keep
Speedy,
talking.
what is it?
Nah, it's because I've
We
fucking
love you.
bottled it. I've so bottled it.
Oh, no,
Get
no, no,
fucked,
no,
kid.
Rob.
No, I just keep coming late because usually I come home a bit later from church.
Yo, he comes
I just-
home. He comes in.
Uh,
He comes in church.
Okay.
I don't know why I just said that.
do not
Ignore
lost
that.
in your heart, boys. Boys, do not lost in your
Oh,
heart.
Corporal's won. Oh my god, he was that good. Oh my god.
Yeah,
well,
I'm tired of missing. I'm tired of missing the IndyCar
You gained
races.
so much time on Joe Bob.
How did you do
No, it's
that?
because I went late, but not too late.
Is that
Whoa,
good
Rob,
that I
Yeah,
112.
I'll just
Yeah.
leave y'all.
I pit,
I'll
Oh, wait.
just-
but like Corporal still won. I fucked it because Speedy was talking. I was like, oh fuck, what do I do?
Just
You
keep
drunk.
your mouth shut. That's
Yeah.
what you do.
Or don't listen.
I'll just let y'all do y'all.
Am I the
I
only one
muted,
that is
I muted
racing?
them ages ago, but I forgot
Am I the
I
only
forgot
one
to
that
mute them again.
Oh, come on.
How have I done free pit? Oh wait, never mind.
What? How you done 3?
It says I've done 3 pits, but I forgot. And my
Oh my
corner
god.
crossing get changed at
Yeah,
the
you
start.
drove out the pit lane before.
Yeah.
Am I the only one that uses camera toggle to race, or
Yeah.
Camera
Camera,
toggle?
yes?
what's camera
Lazy,
toggle?
I guess.
What is camera toggle?
It basically makes you use T-cam.
I don't know. I don't know if I hit the initial one, so I
No,
kept
if you
clicking.
press shift, you look faster.
Yeah, also that, but the camera toggle is actually useful.
I still don't know
If you
what it
hold
is.
shift, you just look faster.
Well,
You-
I'll show you guys later. What?
you
How's
know
Lucas
what?
second? Guys,
He's
I'm
not,
not
he came out the
second.
pits, he's fourth.
Oh,
Yeah, this man.
Imbecile.
You wish.
I'm about 6-ish seconds behind you, which is kind of sad.
Oh.
I fucked
Probably.
it.
Whoa. So,
if I win, this will be my third win in
What do
a
you mean
row.
if?
Yeah.
That's
IRL.
it.
No, in IRS.
He hasn't won anything in IRL.
No,
Corporal,
I
if you
have.
win,
I
Have
have done a
you?
few go-karts races, and I have won
Excuse me, we don't have go-karts in IRL.
IRL. I'll set fucking in IRL.
I am on about
Oh
IRL, the
my God.
league, not
Who
real
cares
life.
about IRL the league?
Oh god.
It's back for
Good.
second now. Fun.
for some reason, I have to take a shit.
Zitan, come on, man, do it.
What do you mean you need to take a
I'm
shit?
trying to,
Your
lad.
body
Come on.
knows when to take a shit.
I need you to like. I have to gain
There's
some
no team
points on
order.
Lego.
Yeah, and so does Lucas.
Who's winning the
So-
championship? It's Lucas, right?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, but with 1 point, so
Lego is
basically it's
now.
Lego now.
Okay.
Lucas will have to
No,
grind the card.
don't slow down, Rob. Don't even try.
I'm not slowing down. I want the second.
Nah, we're waiting for Lego to do another DNF race. Goes off to Cyprus in the day.
Yeah, me
I saw it.
missing the last race was painful for my standings, but it's fine.
For your what? Science?
For Spanish.
Never mind.
What do you mean it's not pinnacle for your championship? Do you really think I'm gonna be your fucking championship
I said
contender?
me missing the
Fuck off.
previous race was painful for my standings.
Why don't you go cheat
Hey
some
fam,
bits, eh?
you're not gonna fucking lose to me in the championship. If so, then wow.
Then where are you trying?
I don't know. I like being fast when I can.
Well, you're not very good at it then.
Whoa.
No, because
Whoa.
you did illegal
Whoa.
pit maneuvers.
Oh, I've gone over the hills.
I saw that.
I did
No,
the
no,
same,
no, no,
Chambers. I did the same.
Oh. No. Aidamento is in front of me. Mamma mia. I don't know
Why are you
why.
talking about
How
your
the
what?
fuck?
Sorry, I don't even know.
Lucas,
I
speed up,
dominated,
man.
man. Absolute chat.
What do you mean?
Speed up.
Oh, it's how do you pronounce it? I say Aidamento. It's Aidamento. Oh.
I just call him
Dominator?
Idominator. It sounds
It's
nice.
Dominator.
Ida men.
I say
It's
Aidamento.
got interesting placements of D's and O's.
Hey,
and
Rob,
E's
Right,
and
come on.
A's.
I just need a clean lap.
Hey, where the lap? Where's the lap counter gone? I can't. Oh, it's there.
Last lap, last lap. All or
Oh,
nothing,
that
all or
wasn't
nothing.
clean. That wasn't
Come on,
clean.
All
Zitan.
or nothing, Kimmy. All or nothing.
Lego, win it, please.
Zitan,
Oh, for fuck's sake,
IRL
Spotify
Redemption
started.
Day.
Spotify.
Zitan, it's Luxembourg Redemption Day. Come on, show your worth. Chop chop, speed up.
GG, Rob.
And then we have IO after this. Oh, God Christ.
Well, we have a little bit of time. It's fine.
Time to practice for shit.
Who is playing the piano?
Who's playing the fucking piano? Excuse me.
Chambers.
Oh no, engine
me?
issue! No, engine issue! No, no,
Well,
no!
honestly,
Oh,
Paul-
Do your
Oh,
Sebastian
okay.
Vettel impersonation.
My guy.
Lovely.
Oh, let's race. Oh,
Oh, I did it again.
For some reason, Spotify started mid-lap. I was like, what the fuck?
what song did you start listening?
It was a Dua Lipa song.
Oh
Yo.
yes!
Oh my
I
god!
mean,
what
given
is
the
this?
fact that I actually lost 7 seconds at the start, I'll take this result.
No, your car's illegal.
Whoa, excuse
I know
me.
it
No,
is.
no,
Oh
you're
shit,
P3.
sorry, Rob.
Yeah.
I thought they had the weird
Oh,
fucking-
Lucas, upgrade of livery. What?
What the fuck? Is this like... What's it? Is there points for pole and fastest lap? There isn't, is there?
Thank
Yeah,
you.
those-
Lucas, can you not?
Leave my car.
Piss off, Lucas.
I don't want fucking IRS Formula 1. I just need fucking spreadsheet. IndyCar Racing Series.
What? Okay, Chambers.
Oh, there isn't
Wait,
points for
Chambers,
fastest
you
lap.
Belgium now?
Wait, what?
What?
Nothing. No.
You are stupid.
ninth in
You think I'm
standings is
Belgian?
definitely possible.
Where's my shit?
Where's
No way.
Oh, yeah.
Josh,
That's the wrong place, Stig.
look
You're
in
in
general,
fifth.
Josh, in
Look where my
IRS.
car is.
Did I get
Where's your
D's?
car? It's in the paddock.
Did I get those?
It's a kill.
Dude,
Ah. Yeah, those look nice, don't they?
people that
Yeah.
buy white shoes
The
and they're
dunk highs though, so they look like fake Jordan ones.
When you put the stream back up, I do want to see.
Oh, it's 2-2.
I want to see my J turn because that was amazing.
I want to hear Lucas say the N word.
That as well.
You'll hear that.
What do you want me to hear say?
But what do you think? I did a funny.
Nice.
How many points? How many points does Alex? Actually, no, not Alex. I don't really care about Alex. Standings, constructors.
Josh, what are the upgrade points?
Oh, Saka
Are they
scored at
upgrade
53rd.
points?
Okay.
Josh, what are you on about? IRS team one of leading is the constructors. No, they're not.
No, I never said that. Lucas did.
What?
Oh, Lucas did. Oh,
I didn't-
Lucas should.
I don't know.
Pedo.
I think it's Ferrari.
What are we on
I think
about?
it's
Yeah,
Ferrari.
Ferrari leading it by a mile.
Oh.
No, they didn't by a mile. Like 30-ish points.
Oh.
It'll be more after this. So
I'm getting so
because I
confused.
got
What are we
8,
on about?
I got 18 and fit. So 30, 66, and that 66 minus 12 is 50, 54 points. We're leading it in by.
Dang.
So that's a huge margin.
Oh, what's this guy's name? Oh, why is Beckham here? What the fuck? Why is
Why
David
is he not
Beckham?
allowed to be there or something?
Is he an Arsenal supporter or a
No.
Man U supporter? What?
He's
I'm
a
confused.
foreign supporter.
I thought he's the Queen supporter, fam. That's what I thought.
Queen?
The
Yeah.
Queen's a bit dead, mate.
Yeah, he supported the Queen by going to visit the dead Queen.
That's cringe.
Yeah. Well, Lego did it. I didn't.
Well, it would be something you would do.
Oh no, I said Lego did
Just
it.
like
I
saying
didn't.
the N word.
Fam, you said it as well, so I don't know what you're complaining about.
I didn't say it in game.
No, you said it like before.
When?
Let's see. Oh, it's Django Speedway next. Oval.
Dude,
Oh,
why?
It's it actually takes skill. You have to slow down for the corners. It's like
I know.
Not helpful
Rob's
still.
truck. Mickey, what's it called?
Yeah, but those cars are set up for the ovals. These cars aren't.
I know, but still, you have to slow down. Okay, next place is
Lucas.
Are you on the Xbox?
What?
I like how I only added
Are you
half.
on the Xbox?
no.
Why do I hear Xbox noises?
I don't know. It's downstairs the piano. I think that's what you're hearing.
I didn't know Xbox had a piano.
Oh well.
Well, guys, I guess that's it. Lego, is Lego still here?
Yeah, what is it?
Can you add some detail remover? Fuck.
In Magnicore?
Yes.
It's just trees.
Oh, fuck that. I don't care. And then the ground sounds and everything
Josh,
else.
what do you think of these?
Now, Lucas doesn't
What?
allow me to remove the grandsons
The blue
anymore.
one.
Why?
It's nice.
These
I
nuts?
just want my detail removed.
Oh, look, it's only one color there. Yes. It's really great to like the.
What's a
Oh,
good
man.
time around Magnicore?
I don't know.
123.
But he wouldn't. Yeah, 23s is
Are
what
all
they're like.
124. I think that's the race pace.
Yeah.
Let's see what I can do in this shitty car.
Hmm.
stream.